What is the force that opposes the motion of an object? And the correct answer is friction is the force that opposes the motion of an object. What happens to a moving object when brakes are applied? And the correct answer is when brakes are applied, the object slows down due to friction. What is the primary cause of friction between two surfaces? And the correct answer is friction is primarily caused by the irregularities on the surfaces in contact. Which of the following surfaces would produce the most friction? And the correct answer is sandpaper has a rough surface that produces the most friction. What is static friction? And the correct answer is static friction is the friction that acts on an object at rest. What is sliding friction? And the correct answer is sliding friction is the friction that occurs when an object is sliding over another surface. Which type of friction is generally greater? And the correct answer is static friction is generally greater than sliding friction. What happens to the force of friction if the surfaces are pressed harder together? And the correct answer is the force of friction increases if the surfaces are pressed harder together. What is the effect of lubricants on friction? And the correct answer is lubricants reduce friction by creating a barrier between surfaces. What is rolling friction? And the correct answer is rolling friction is the friction that occurs when an object rolls over a surface. Which of the following is an example of a lubricant? And the correct answer is oil is a common example of a lubricant used to reduce friction. What is the role of surface irregularities in friction? And the correct answer is surface irregularities increase friction by interlocking with each other. What is the relationship between the smoothness of a surface and friction? And the correct answer is smoother surfaces generally have less friction compared to rough surfaces. What is the primary factor that affects the amount of friction? And the correct answer is the weight of the object is a primary factor that affects the amount of friction. What happens to the distance a pencil cell travels on different surfaces? And the correct answer is The distance a pencil cell travels decreases on rough surfaces due to increased friction. What is the effect of friction on moving vehicles? And the correct answer is friction helps in stopping the vehicle by opposing its motion. What is the significance of treaded tires on vehicles? And the correct answer is treaded tires increase grip on the road by enhancing friction. What is fluid friction? And the correct answer is fluid friction is the friction that occurs when objects move through liquids and gases. What is drag in the context of fluid friction? And the correct answer is drag is a force that opposes motion in fluids. How can friction be minimized in machines? And the correct answer is friction can be minimized in machines by using lubricants. What is the effect of friction on energy consumption in machines? And the correct answer is friction increases energy consumption in machines due to energy loss as heat. What is the role of brake pads in vehicles? And the correct answer is brake pads stop the vehicle by creating friction against the wheels. What happens to the frictional force when a surface is made rougher? And the correct answer is the frictional force increases when a surface is made rougher. What is the primary reason for slipping on a wet floor? And the correct answer is slipping on a wet floor is primarily due to decreased friction. What is the effect of applying a lubricant between two surfaces? And the correct answer is applying a lubricant between two surfaces reduces friction.